Introducing the 4-cubic self-loading mixer truck. Power, efficiency, and precision in one. Equipped with a Yuchai 4108 turbo engine delivering 91 kilowatts, paired with a full hydraulic transmission and a 10-ton steering drive axle. One-piece integrated design, durable 1570/20 steel wire tires, automatic water metering with electronic hydraulic weighing for accuracy every time. Enjoy smooth operation with a 270-degree rotating drum, hydraulic water pump, automatic lubrication system, and imported plunger motor. Comfort comes standard with cold and warm air conditioning, driving camera system, and bucket vibrator for maximum productivity. 4-cubic self-loading mixers are built for power, precision, and performance.